Ever wondered how millions of frozen pizzas get made every single day? It's not a little pizzeria in the back. It's a colossal high-tech world of automation. And today, we're taking you inside for an exclusive look. What you're seeing right now isn't science fiction. This is a real state-of-the-art pizza factory where robots and machines work in perfect harmony to produce thousands of pizzas every single hour. The sheer scale is mind-boggling. Conveyor belts stretch out as far as the eye can see, each one a river of future pizzas, flowing through a mesmerizing dance of steel and synchronization. So, grab a slice of curiosity, and let's dive into the incredible journey of a pizza. From simple ingredients to the frozen aisle favorite you know and love. It all starts, as every great pizza does, with the dough. But we're not talking about a bowl and a whisk here. We're talking about industrial-sized mixers, true giants of the kitchen, capable of combining thousands of pounds of flour, water, yeast, and other secret ingredients at once. Imagine a swimming pool, but instead of water, it's filled with the beginnings of a perfect pizza dough. These mixers work tirelessly, kneading the massive dough ball to the perfect consistency. The science here is precise. The temperature, the mixing time, everything is computer-controlled to ensure uniformity. One small error could affect thousands of pizzas, so precision is absolutely key. The goal is to develop the gluten just right, giving the final crust that satisfying chew and structure. Once the dough reaches peak perfection, it's ready for the next stage of its automated adventure. It's hoisted and tipped onto a series of conveyor belts, beginning a journey that will transform it from a giant blob into individual pizza bases. Now that we have this enormous river of dough, how does it become the perfectly round pizza bases we're all familiar with? This is where some truly clever engineering comes into play. The dough is first moved into a divider. This machine is a master of portion control, expertly cutting the massive dough sheet into perfectly uniform balls, each one destined to become a single pizza. There's no guesswork here. Every single dough ball weighs exactly the same, down to the gram. This consistency is crucial for ensuring that every pizza bakes evenly later on. After being divided, these dough balls get a moment to rest and proof, allowing the yeast to work its magic and the dough to relax. This step is vital for a light and airy crust. Then, they continue their journey down the conveyor belt to the sheeting machines. Imagine a series of giant automated rolling pins. The dough balls are gently guided into these machines, which press and roll them out into flawless circles of a predetermined size and thickness. Whether it's a personal-sized pizza or a large family one, the machines can be calibrated to produce the perfect base every time, faster than any human could. With our perfectly formed pizza bases ready, it's time for a crucial and often surprising step, par baking. The raw dough circles glide from the sheeting machines directly into enormous, tunnel-like ovens. These aren't your typical pizza ovens. They can be hundreds of feet long with precisely controlled temperature zones. As the crusts travel through, they are baked for just a few minutes. This isn't about cooking them completely, but about setting the crust. Par baking does a few important things. Creates a stable base that can handle the weight of the sauce and toppings without getting soggy. It also locks in that desirable texture or crust that will be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside when you finally bake it at home. The heat is intense and even, ensuring every single crust gets the exact same treatment. As they emerge from the other side of the oven, golden and fragrant, they are cooled rapidly on another set of conveyors. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and prepares them for the most exciting part of the process, the toppings. Now for the fun part, adding the flavor. This is where the pizza truly comes to life, and once again, automation leads the way with incredible precision. First up is the sauce. The par-baked crusts glide under a sauce depositor. These machines are equipped with nozzles that spin or spray, spreading the perfect amount of tomato sauce in an even layer from edge to edge, but leaving that all-important border for the crust. No drips, no misses, just perfect saucing every time. Next comes the cheese, the glorious, melty heart of any pizza. Giant dispensers, often called waterfall applicators, shower the sauced bases with a continuous curtain of shredded mozzarella. The amount is precisely measured to ensure that cheesy goodness in every single bite. After the cheese, it's time for the other toppings. Whether it's pepperoni, mushrooms, peppers, or onions, specialized machines take over. For ingredients like pepperoni, Robotic arms with suction cups or precision cutters place the slices in perfect patterns. For vegetables, vibrating feeders gently shake the diced items onto the pizzas, ensuring an even distribution. Each topping station is a marvel of efficiency, adding layer after layer of deliciousness as the pizzas continue their unstoppable march down the production line. Our pizzas are now fully assembled masterpieces, but they're not ready for your oven just yet. Their next destination is the deep freeze. To preserve their freshness, flavor, and texture, the pizzas enter a flash freezing tunnel. This isn't like your freezer at home. We're talking about a blast of Arctic air, sometimes as cold as -40 degrees or even colder, circulated at high speeds. This process freezes the pizzas solid in a matter of minutes. Why so fast? Slow freezing creates large ice crystals, which can damage the food's structure and lead to a soggy pizza when baked. Flash freezing creates tiny ice crystals, preserving the integrity of the crust, sauce, cheese, and toppings perfectly. It's like hitting the pause button on freshness. Once they emerge from the tunnel, hard as a rock, they're ready for the final leg of their journey. An automated system takes over, guiding each pizza to be individually shrink-wrapped. Then, robotic arms, with an efficiency that's mesmerizing to watch, pick up the wrapped pizzas and place them into their printed cardboard boxes. The boxes are then sealed, labeled with dates and batch codes, and stacked onto pallets, all without a single human hand touching the final product. And there you have it. From a mountain of flour to a perfectly packaged pizza ready for shipping, it's a journey of incredible speed, precision, and scale. Let's watch it all again in a breathtaking time-lapse. See the mixers churning, the dough flowing, the sheeters pressing, and the ovens glowing. Watch as sauce, cheese, and toppings rain down in perfect harmony. See the pizzas disappear into the freezing mist and emerge ready for their boxes. It's a non-stop 24/7 operation, a factory that never sleeps, all to satisfy our collective craving for one of the world's most beloved foods. The next time you pull a frozen pizza from the box, take a moment to appreciate the amazing technology and engineering that brought it to you. It's more than just a quick meal. It's a small miracle of modern food production. Thank you so much for joining us on this delicious factory tour. If you found this process as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible behind-the-scenes looks at how things are made. Let us know in the comments what your favorite pizza topping is, and maybe what factory you'd like to see us explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.